Good morning, students. Today we will be continuing with our EVS. In EVS, we had done the first chapter, Our Body is Wonderful, in which we had learnt about the body parts. Now, today we will be starting with our second chapter, that is our sense organs. Okay, what are sense organs? The sense organs are that help us in feeling and seeing different things. First see these 5 pictures. These are the pictures of our sense organs. But see, in this, the jumbled words are given. So we have to find out what is this, which body part is this. This is the picture of eye. What is this? This is the picture of nose. See this one. This is the picture of tongue. Then this is the ear and skin. See, in this the jumbled words are given. We have to write the correct spelling over here. Now student, in this video I am just explaining you the chapter. After that I will also send you the PDF of this picture. I will write the answer and then I will send you the PDF also. So you can see it easily from it. See it and you can write in your books. Then we have 5 sense organs. How many sense organs do we have? 5 sense organs. They are eyes, nose, tongue, ears and skin. Which are the 5 sense organs? Eyes, nose, tongue, ear and skin. Now see, the first sense organ is eyes. Our eyes help us see different things around us. We have 2 eyes. What do we do with our eyes? We see different things around us. Now see this picture. This boy is seeing with his eyes. We see with our eyes. Which body part do we use to see? Eyes. How many eyes do we have? We have 2 eyes. Now see this. What is the color of the big balloon? See, 2 pictures are given. The boy is holding a red balloon and the girl is holding the yellow balloon. Now, which is the big balloon? This is the big balloon. What is the color of this balloon? Red. So, we will tick in red. Then, what is the color of the small balloon? This is the small balloon. What is the color of this balloon? Yellow. So, we will tick in yellow. Okay, now turn the page. Our nose helps us smell. We have 1 nose. Which is the next sense organ? Nose. What do we do with our nose? We smell. There is a good smell and bad smell also. Now see, here 2 pictures are given. This is the picture of a rose. A rose smells. Okay, what is the smell of the rose? If we smell a rose, it will be good or bad? The smell of the rose is good. A rose smells good. Then garbage. See, this is garbage. Garbage smells. If we throw all the waste and if it is in one place, it will smell good or it will smell bad? It will smell very bad. So garbage smells bad. Then see the next sense organ. Our ears help us hear. We have 2 ears. See this boy. This boy is hearing songs in the headphones. Now if your mummy is calling you, you will hear with your ears. We hear with our ears. How many ears do we have? We have 2 ears. Then see the picture. A lion and a dog. What is the sound that a lion makes? A lion roars. Then a dog. What sound does a dog make? A dog barks. Then what is the next sense organ? Tongue. Our tongue helps us taste. We have 1 tongue. Okay, if mama is preparing good food, Like suppose if mama has prepared Maggie, you will taste with your tongue. What helps to taste? Which sense organ helps us taste? Our tongue. See this picture. This boy is tasting ice cream. So our tongue helps us taste. How many tongue do we have? We have one tongue. Now see this picture. This is the picture of chocolate and this is chips. Now sweet and salty. Chocolate is sweet and chips is salty. Okay, now see which is the next sense organ? Skin. Our skin helps us feel. Our body is covered with skin. See, if our skin helps us to feel. See this picture. This girl is holding the glass of a cold drink. See, this is the cold glass. There is ice in it. And this boy is holding a hot cup. So if we touch something hot or cold, we can feel it with the help of our skin. Our whole body is covered with skin. See this picture. A rock and a teddy bear. If you touch a rock, rock will be soft or hard? The rock will be hard. And a teddy bear. If you touch a teddy bear will be soft or hard? It will be very soft. Now, our 5 sense organs are like our 5 best friends. We must take care of our sense organs. See, all our 5 sense organs help us in different ways. Which are they? Eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. With eyes we can see. With the nose we can smell. With the ears we can hear. With the tongue we can taste. And with the skin we can feel different things. Okay students, so in this video I have solved this. Orally I have explained you the fill in the blanks. I will again write it and then I will send you the PDF also along with it. So when you are writing in your book, you can check from the PDF that I will send. And then in the next class, we will complete the tick the correct answer and the fill in the blanks of this chapter. Okay, so when I send you the PDF, complete your work from that and revise this chapter again. Okay students, we will meet in the next class.
Hello everyone, now we are going to learn a new subject SST, Social Studies. In second standard you were studying EVS, but now in this year, in third standard you will learn 2 new subjects, Science and SST. So today I am going to start Social Studies. Before going to start our new chapter, we will see how can we keep our surroundings clean. We had learned about it in second standard also. Let us revise it once again. On page number 7, one day Rohan and his sister Riya go to the market with their mother. Look at this garbage. It is giving out such a foul smell. Garbage gives birth to germs that are harmful for us. एक दिन रोहन और उसकी बहन अपनी मम्मा के साथ मार्केट गए थे. तब उन लोगों ने रास्ते में गार्बेज यानी कि कचरा देखा और उसमें से बहुत ही बदबू आ रही थी. तभी उसकी मम्मा ने बोला कि यहाँ पर बहुत सारा कचरा है और उसमें से बदबू आ रही है. तो रोहन ने बोला कि ये जो सारे कचरा है जिसमें से हार्मफुल जर्म्स यानी कि खतरनाक जर्म्स होते हैं. मदर, हाउ कैन वी कीप आवर सराउंडिंग्स क्लीन? We can do so in many ways, but first and foremost, we must learn to throw garbage in the dustbin. रोहन की सिस्टर ने पूछा कि हम अपना सराउंडिंग्स मीन्स अपने आसपास की जगह, तो हम अपना सराउंडिंग्स क्लीन कैसे रख सकते हैं। तो उसकी मम्मा ने बताया कि सबसे पहले तो हमें अपने आसपास जो भी कचरा है वो डस्टबिन में डालना चाहिए। यस मदर, आवर टीचर टीचेस us to throw all the waste in the dustbin. In this way, we keep our school clean. Yes, my teacher teaches the same. She says that we must wash our hands with soap before eating. रोहन और उसकी बहन दोनों ने बताया कि उसको उन लोगों को भी स्कूल में सिखाया जाता है कि कचरा डस्टबिन में डालना चाहिए। Look at those animals. This rotting garbage is not only harmful for us but also dangerous for animals. They eat it and fall sick. फिर रोहन की मम्मा ने बोला कि यहाँ पर देखो ये एनिमल है, तो वो भी उनको भी ये गार्बेज से यानी कि ये कचरे से बहुत नुकसान हो सकता है। ये जो कचरा है वो सिर्फ हमारे लिए पर ये सारे एनिमल्स के लिए भी बहुत खतरनाक है। लुक एट द फूड स्टॉल, इट इज कवर्ड विथ फ्लाइज एंड डस्ट, यू फॉल इल इफ यू ईट एनीथिंग फ्रॉम हियर। यू आर राइट मदर, वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स फेल इल बिकॉज ही एट फूड फ्रॉम वन ऑफ द स्टॉल्स। फिर रोहन की मम्मा ने एक फूड स्टॉल दिखाया जहाँ पे खाने की चीजों के ऊपर बहुत सारी मक्खियां थी और धूल मिट्टी भी उड़ रही थी। तब उन्होंने बताया कि अगर हम यहाँ से कुछ भी खाना खाएंगे तो हम बीमार हो जाएंगे। तभी रोहन ने बताया कि हाँ, मेरे एक फ्रेंड ने ऐसे किसी जगह से खाना खाया था और वो बीमार हो गया था। डू यू नो व्हाई वी शुड कीप आवर सराउंडिंग्स क्लीन? It makes us feel good and we stay healthy. We do not fall sick. फिर रोहन की मम्मा ने पूछा कि क्या आपको पता है कि हमें अपना सराउंडिंग्स क्यों क्लीन रखना चाहिए? तो रोहन ने बताया कि हाँ, उससे हमें अच्छा लगता है और सराउंडिंग्स क्लीन रखने से हम हेल्दी रह सकते हैं। हेल्दी यानी कि तंदुरुस्त रह सकते हैं। रोहन की सिस्टर ने बताया वी डू नॉट फॉल सिक, हम कभी बीमार नहीं होते। Mother is very happy to hear this. Let us take a pledge to keep our surroundings clean and teach others to do the same. This is a wonderful idea. फिर रोहन और उसकी सिस्टर दोनों ने अपना सराउंडिंग्स क्लीन रखने की प्रतिज्ञा की। From then, both the children, along with their friends, began to tell people to be clean and keep their surroundings clean. और फिर उसके बाद रोहन और उसकी सिस्टर ने अपने सारे फ्रेंड्स को और बहुत सारे लोगों को अपना सराउंडिंग्स की क्लीन रखने के लिए बताया। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट फर्स्ट चैप्टर, माय फैमिली। हियर यू हैव टू पेस्ट योर फैमिली फोटो एंड राइट 2 sentences अबाउट योर फैमिली। अपने फैमिली का फोटो यहाँ पे लगाना है अगर है तो, और फिर अपने फैमिली के बारे में 2 लाइन्स आपको यहाँ पे लिखना है। हेलो, आई एम निकिता, आई एम अ गर्ल, रवि इज माई ब्रदर, आई एम हिज सिस्टर। वी लिव इन आवर होम विथ आवर मदर एंड फादर. There are 4 members in our family. Our family is a nuclear family. A nuclear family is a small family. Here is the introduction of a small family, a nuclear family. A nuclear family means a small family in that here is Nikita's family. Nikita and her brother Ravi and her parents. They are living their family is small family, we can say nuclear family. During summer vacation, we visit my uncle and aunt's home. They are our relatives. Relatives are people who are of the same family. We all enjoy staying and playing together. Whenever we have vacation, we are going to our relatives' family. Relatives means our nearly same as our family. My parents are working, therefore they go out of the house to work. My father is an engineer and my mother is a school teacher. They travel to their workplaces by metro. Now Nikita is telling about her family, that her parents are working, her father is an engineer and her mother is a teacher. And they are going to their office place, they are going to their workplace by metro. Our parents work very hard for us. My brother and I help our parents in cooking and cleaning the house. Nikita is telling that their parents work very hard, so she and her brother, they are helping their parents in cooking and cleaning the house. Now all of you, how many of you are helping to your parents? I was telling in second standard also that you all have to help your parents. Whatever you can do, you have to help to your parents. Today we will do this much only in this chapter. You have to remember that nuclear family means a small family, and we will learn about this chapter this much only, and we will do the next page. The rest of the lesson we will do in the next class. You just remember this, you read this page and try to remember all these things. Thank you and have a nice day.